I need to go and sand all this flaky rubbish off the inside of them before I go and paint them. And I was thinking, oh, okay, easy enough. Just go and get the go get a wire cup on the end of the drill. Brilliant, no problem. Chuck that in there. But the drill will only go in so far. So I was led there thinking, what can I use? I need like an extension of some sort on this so I can sort of, reach down in there. Now I happen to know in my hole saw set is an extension arbor. And I was thinking maybe I could fit that brush in the end of the arbor and get right down in there and clean all that lot out. So obviously I only need to go in halfway because I can do both sides. So I thought, right, okay, I'll go and get a little bush made up or something in there just to drop that down. So obviously it's a hex head, but I've got one Allen key that'll make it fit down. Make a little bush or something and just drill that down in there and clamp onto that. And then, double thought, there's something like a 6mm drill bit on the end of this. Why don't I go and try that? So I'm not quite sure that comes out on camera. I think that's about a 6mm drill bit. Have a look at that. Bosh! Straight on there. So I'll tighten that up. Then the extension on there then. And look out, what have we got? A fully extendable wire brush. So I can clean the inside of my springs. Champion. Great success!